Hello friends, welcome to another LWC example, which is conditional rendering example we are going to do. So I will show you what I have done here. So this is my conditional rendering example. So what I want to do, when I click this checkbox, it will show me details. If I don't click, then it will be false. So it is again rendering, conditional rendering depends on your click. So let's go to our again to our example. You need to create one LWC with the name of whatever you want. So I already create one CSS file with the same name with these files. Just click here, add new file, and then this is automatically come test. So we have 4 files here. One is if else else. I already changed the color, as you can see. Right now the color is different, so when I deploy it, I just wanted to show you the different color. You click color and then you can make it yellow or another we want. After, you can go to HTML file. As you can see here, let me show you. This is my template. Is whatever you do, you write in template. Then you have your cart, this white part, which makes nice. So we have lightning cart, and your title is conditional rendering part, or you can change the name. After, then you have one lightning input. Input, it is this one. So what is that? Checkbox. And then in that checkbox, what you want? Label, show details, like show my details, you can write. And then you want to this to be dynamic with working with GC file like JavaScript. So what you need to do, on change, and then you want to handle change, so you will bind it with GC file, and then we will handle this event in GC because it will be like background. GC will do the handle this change. So we create in this lightning cart what? A division, and division it is, if it is true, the result, and then if it is true, this will appear. If it's not true, then it will not appear. So you don't need to have false, because it will be like else. Else is false. If you don't click, it means it is false. If you click it, it is result, or you can change this name, result, or whatever you want to put, but it is a property. This one needs to be handled in JavaScript file. So when it is true, you click here. If it is true, this division is true, then this, I want these 2 parts. Maybe you can add please like it, or what else you want to put. Control C. I will write here when this part appears when you click check box dot. So when it is true, like you click checkbox, then this true part will appear. So this is my Control S. Then I will go to my GCS file. GCS file, its result is false. Why it is false? You can make it true or false, depends. Why it is false? Because when if you put it right, then directly it will come like this. But if it is you write false, then it will appear your, you know, uh, Lightning card like this. Then when you click it, it will be true. So handle change event, this result event, and my target, after target you need to put checked because it is a checkbox file. And then XML file, it is whatever you want to put, just put it through targets, and in targets you need to write your target. Now what I made some changes. As you can see, I changed the color, I add one more file. Then now, well, I will deploy these changes to my org. Go to if else, deploy source to org. And then a little time to wait. And then let's see. If it is false, it is the result. If it is true, then it appears. So as you can see, my conditional rendering part, if I click, and then this part appears when you click checkbox. And then the color of my text also, what I put here in GCS, it is almost like you can put red, Control S, and then make the changes, deploy source to org. Let's see if it will change. Sometimes it takes time. Yeah, as you can see, it is, this part appears when you click checkbox. Then let's see. If you put this one, check result true false, then if result. So this is the simple example how to create a checkbox, and when you click checkbox, it is coming back to our org true. So I hope you have understood how to create a simple check with condition rendering example. And then in this example, what we did, when you click this checkbox, then the information will appear. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood whatever I demonstrated in this video. Thank you. See you in next another video.